Alright guys, today's the day of the drawing. Well, I drew the number last night at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and as I was doing it, I filmed it on my computer, and I'll go through there and I'll show you exactly who came up and the two winners and who they are. So just stay tuned. This is just a small project, and we'll get to the drawing for the winners, and I'll tell you how to contact me. So let's get into this little project. If you remember the other day, I had that thrift haul that in the last video I said I wanted to show real fast because I wanted to use something. Well, it was this little, and I told you it was this little jar. Well, what I did so far is I just put some of these puka beads in there, or pods, and they look like little pumpkins. Can you see that? But I put those in there, and I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame. And then I put a little sunflower in there and some cinnamon sticks. And then in the thrift haul, I think before that, I had a package of, what do you call it, potpourri. And it did have some cinnamon sticks in it. And it had this little pumpkin that I put in there. Anyways, I put some cinnamon sticks, some flowers, some pip berries, a rusty star, and I thought I had, maybe I took them out. I thought I put some apple wedges in there that I have dried, but evidently I decided they didn't need to be in there because I started this last night and then quit. Okay, so that's what I have in there, and now I'm going to have to decorate it up. So I'm taking some cheesecloth, because I think what I'm going to do, I make candles also, and I have lots of candle scents, and I'm probably going to scent that up. So drop some oil down in it. Let's see if that's doubled. Which way do I want to go? Because I don't want to... Okay, I'm going to go this way. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but... probably need to triple it. Okay, that will be okay. A little wider. Kind of why I hate to do this stuff on video, because I have to keep redoing stuff. Okay, I'm going to have to redo that. I can see the seam of that, and it's not quite wide enough. Pull this out. You can get a lot more material if you pull it out and stretch it. See if that'll work. Yeah, that'll be good. And I want 3 layers, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that back over that way. I'm not going to worry that. I'm going to cut that end off anyway, so... This is real easy, and I think it'll be cute. Probably about like that. Yeah, that'd be good enough. Wished I had this, I did tea dye this, or coffee dye this, but I thought it was too dark, so I rinsed it out a little bit before it dried. I wished I had just left it. It's not very dark. Okay, I want to get that where the atlas shows. And that flower, maybe that star. Now, I have some more material here cut. I don't know how long that needs to be. This is going to be fun because I usually put it in my lap and hold it. And I can't do that when I'm filming. Okay, I think that's going to be long enough about right there. And I'm going to cut me a piece of this also. That's good. I'm going to half that so I can make sure I've got the center of it. Okay, the center is about right there. Now I am going to have to turn that towards me. And tuck and pull and turn. Okay, I think I want the bow, not really bow, but the knot off to one side. I don't know which side I want it on. Now, I guess I didn't get that in there. There. It's always easier when you're not filming, because like I said, I would have put this in my lap and fiddled with it. Okay, it's off to the side. Pull it tight. And just make a knot. I'm going to stop the video and fiddle with this just a little bit, because I don't want y'all sitting here waiting that long to see this, and then I'm going to start decorating it or embellishing it. Okay, I got that tied on there. I removed the this. It was just causing me problems. But I do not like that white. That's just too light for me. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on there. I should have done it before I put it on, but it's on and I'm not taking it off. And this works. Am I in frame? I guess. I got my camera at a little different angle sitting on the tripod so y'all could see this. And I really can't tell if I'm in frame or not. I'm going to go around this and hit it with the heat gun and wipe my jar off because it'll be wet, and we'll come back and start putting some embellishments on it. Okay, I think that looks better with the dark than it did that light. Oh, I probably need to put some down right in there, but I'll worry about that in a little bit. And I forgot to tell you what I put on it. This is the cinnamon and coffee mixture, and I didn't see where the cinnamon is settled at the bottom. I didn't stir it up. It's just more coffee. Smells good though. So I'm trying to figure out, I pulled out, I don't want a lot on it, and I'm trying to figure out whether I want the big star or a little star. I think the big star, since I held it up there. And let's see, I've got Sweet Annie out. I'm going to use that. Yeah, I kind of like the way that looks. Okay, I've got my glue gun on. Miracle, I remembered to turn it on. Put that there. Let's see. I'll scoot it in some. Clip off some of that. Sticking to my finger. Okay. Yeah, like that right there. I'll stick that in there and put a little glue on it. Whoa, I should have let it dry. Okay, I'm going to hold it right there for just a little bit. Glue strings are everywhere, including on my thumb. And I think that's all I'm going to do to it. I'll touch that up right in there where the white's showing. And that'll look cute sitting on a shelf. I think that's cute. Alright guys, can you see that? Because I'm just gonna go on to the drawing. That's how it turned out. And you can see the little puka pods in there, the star, the cinnamon, the flower. And I used my Sweet Annie on it. Alright guys, on to the drawing. Alright, I thought I would go ahead and share with y'all how to contact me, because I have had questions and different things in my comments, and I'll say send me an email, and I don't ever hear from anyone. So I'm going to show you how to contact me through email. Also, if you don't know and you win the drawing, this is explaining how to do it. Well, you're on my one of my videos, and you go right here where my picture is, and you hit the Sandy's Country Crafts, and you're on my home page. And then from there, you scroll all the way to the right in here where it says About, and you click About, the tab About, and you scroll down, and right here where it says Details, it says View Email Address. That's how you can contact me. So I hope I helped some people that didn't know how to do that. And let's get on to the drawing. Alright guys, it's time for the drawing. So I have put in the URL for my video, and I have it set to filter on duplicates and include the reply, and on the text Sweet Annie. So here we go. Oh, Melanie Thompson. Congratulations, Melanie. It says, congratulations, sweet friend, on reaching 2,000 subbies. You deserve it. You are a very talented creator. Your Sweet Annie is gorgeous, and love your DIYs. I have some glass jars, and I'm definitely going to make some. Thanks for sharing more prims and prim DIYs. And that's Melanie. Melanie, get in touch with me. I'll get your package out to you. All right, let's do another one. Well, first I better write that down. I can remember her, but just better write her name down. Melanie. Okay. Here goes another one. Donna McL. Okay, it says, love today's crafts. I've never heard of Sweet Annie, so I Googled it. Would love to have some. Congratulations on 2,000 subscribers. Donna, get a hold of me. All right, guys, that's the end of this video, and congratulations to both of you. Get a hold of me, and I'll get it out to you. Until the next one, we'll see you later.